Now let's solve the problem. Sin A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to cosecant A minus cot A. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Now, first let me write down the LHS. Solution. LHS is sin A divided by 1 plus cos A, right? Sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. To solve this, first let us rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. That is, it will become sin A divided by 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A. Since we are rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply 1 minus cos A to the numerator and to the denominator. That is 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Now, what it will become? Sin A into 1 minus cos A. Sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now let me write the numerator as it is. This one is equal to sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by, observe this, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, right? So we can apply the formula, that is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That is 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Look at this. In the place of A, we have 1. And in the place of B, we have cos A. Therefore, A square, it will become 1 square minus B square, it will become cos square A. That is 1 square, I can write it as 1 minus cos square A. Okay. Therefore, this 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A, I will write it as 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A. Sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos square A. We can apply the formula, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, right? Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1. This plus cos square A, it will come this side and it will become minus cos square A. Therefore, this 1 minus cos square A, I can write it as sin square A. Sin square A. Sin A into 1 minus cos A. Sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by sin square A means what? Sin A is present 2 times. Sin A into sin A. Now this sin A and sin A cancels. What is left? 1 minus cos A divided by sin A. Okay. But we want cosecant A minus cot A in the RHS. So split this term. That is 1 by sin A, 1 by sin A minus cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. 1 by sin A is cosecant A, right? Cosecant A means 1 by sin A. So I will write it as cosecant A minus cos A by sin A. We can write it as cot A. Cot A. Cosecant A minus cot A. That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.